Look at the visible satellite here. Nice and sunny today. Got into the low 40s over southwestern Maine. Pleasant day. Next storm system doesn't look like much. It's down here and up here towards Cincinnati. It's going to develop into a coastal low, which had a lot of potential for us last week, but we've known for a couple of days now the bulk of this system will go offshore. But we're still going to see some accumulating snow, so let's talk about that. There's the low by tomorrow night, and you can see that it is too far away from us to really be a big storm. You typically want it like in this zone here for a good snowstorm nor'easter type, so it's nowhere near that. But because it's going to have an inverted trough, it gets more interesting. So inverted trough, a little area of enhanced lift in the atmosphere where we see intensified snow bands that are very, very narrow typically, kind of like a little fire hose. So that'll come in here tomorrow night into southern coastal Maine and then probably wrap its way into down east and northern mid-coast Maine tomorrow night into early Thursday. That will enhance snowfall there. The rest of us will see very light periods of off and on snow tomorrow into tomorrow night. Then the storm moves away on Thursday and things settle down. So you'll see that we start tomorrow about midday with some light snow, but there's not a whole lot going on here. It's those areas of enhancement we have to watch. One down towards Portland into York County, all the way to Portsmouth, the other into down east Maine. Tomorrow night this will be going on into early Thursday, but again, you can see away from that zone, this is just off and on periods of light snow. It is not a big, impactful event for us, and you'll see that in the snowfall totals here. So a dusting to 2 inches, and I fully recognize that seems like a little bit of a cop-out range because it's the difference between 2 inches and a dusting, but unfortunately there's just going to be kind of patches of snow bands out there throughout the day, so it's going to be really hard to say until the radar develops who's going to see real accumulating snow. But we do have two zones here. There over southern coastal Maine, the other into down east Maine, where I think we have our best chance of getting that inverted trough and enhanced snowfall up to 4 inches. So there we have it. We'll see how that works out. Regardless, it doesn't matter much. That snow will not be here long. This is Saturday night, middle of the night, upper 50s, low 60s. It's going to be mild this weekend, so any snow we have will be a distant memory by Sunday morning. Unfortunately, that mild weather comes with rain, most likely on Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. Temperatures drop drastically on Sunday afternoon. That's when we could see some sun. And then Monday, looks like it'll be in the upper 40s. And next week in general looks like it is on the very mild side, between 45 and 55 for a lot of us.
Wow.
A good part of the week, which is
that's just crazy
not
mild
typical
for this time of year.
Yeah,
wow.
not typical. I saw people post that they would put away their snowmobile and they're bringing out the motorcycle though. So if you got both, it's great.
Okay.
Most of my friends who have a sled have a motorcycle, actually. I was just
really?
Now that I'm thinking about this in my head, yeah.
A need for speed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a theme.
All right. Thanks a lot, Keith.